Hi, so I've been set a little ambassador challenge to do a set of nails using all of the systems, so I thought I'd record mine. I'm gonna do a fish tank on this nail, so that'll come up in the next video, so this should be quite fun. I've never tried it before, so you can watch us stress out. So on this nail first, I've done a PoliBuild clear base layer, super duper thin, and I'm having to make them so long so I can get my fish tank in the other nail. So on this one, I'm gonna try out and do the jelly colour and a glitter little fade. So never done this before either, so I'm just gonna give it a whirl and see what happens. I'm gonna use a little tiny bit of out of the blue, since I am gonna do a sea kind of theme, so it would be quite fitting. So I've got a tiny little bit there, and I'm gonna mix it with some base coat. So because this is quite a strong colour, I think I'm only gonna need a little tiny bit of blue. And I hope I win this challenge because I'm very competitive. So I'm gonna mix in a bit of blue with the clear. And that looks nice. I'm going to paint this on the back of my nail, so I want it to be see-through. I'm just totally going to win this challenge and try a couple of ideas. Oh, that looks nice. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. So I did pop my nail in upside down in the lamp so that it cured underneath. And I'm going to go in with a second coat. And I've just touched my skin there, so I'm going to have to wipe that off before I put it in the lamp. I'm just going to add a bit more in there. I'm just using a little gel brush. Then I'm going to pop that back in the lamp upside down. So now that's been in the lamp, I've only put 2 coats on because I want it to be a bit wishy-washy, the base coat. I'm going to top it with my non-wipe top. So I think this is probably going to be the easiest nail I'm going to do. And I haven't decided what I'm doing with the rest yet. Then I'm going to pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. So I'm going to do a little glitter fade going into my little C that I've done here. Might even put a few waves on as well actually. So I'm going to use my PoliBuild to put down a little thin layer to stick my glitter on too. Too much. So you can use all of our systems together. So I'm going to cut this nail in either acrylic or PoliBuild on EasiBuild. So I just want to guide that right up to my cuticle. I'm just putting a really thin layer down because I just want it to stick the glitter into. And this will just cover the little line I've got here as well as the glitter. So that's my base layer down there. I'm going to use my little gel brush to pick up some glitter. Just randomly place them on, and if you just pat them down a little bit, it will stick into the PoliBuild. And I have to have some iridescent glitter here to catch the light. Different shades of blue. I love blue. So you can layer this up if you want and put another layer on. But we'll cure this first and see what it looks like. I'll just use the little lappets to get in the gaps. And just pat them down and sink them in. Right, so I'm going to pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds because it's PoliBuild. So I want a little bit more glitter in here. So I'm going to add a layer of EasiBuild this time. I'm not going right to the end of my nail because I don't want all of that covered in glitter. So I'm going to pop some glitter on to this EasiBuild. Fill in the little gaps I've missed. I'm just going to try and cover up where that line is, where I've painted underneath. I'll add a few speckles here and there. And I'm happy with that, apart from that little tiny bit in the middle. Yeah. So because I've put EasiBuild on, This time round, I only need to cure it for 30 seconds. So that's been in the lamp, and all my glitter is all encapsulated and stuck in there. So I'm just gonna cap it all in together. Some EasiBuild. So I'm just gonna put my slick layer down on the cuticle, right to the end of the tip this time. And then I'm going to start building my nail. And then I'm going to add my thickness to the end here. Just working the product right down. I want to hold that upside down. I'm just going to drag it all to the middle and create a nice shape. And then I'm just going to drag this right to the end. I'm going to pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. So that has been in the lamp for 30 seconds. And I love the wishy-washy blue underneath. So I'm gonna remove my tacky layer. And I'm gonna go ahead and do my normal filing routine. So I've shaped this and I've top coated, and I really love the blue underneath. You can just see through it. So next video I am gonna attempt the fish tank. Wish me luck.